What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Scratch Outdoors. Hey, I'm about to go ahead and put this USB port and cigarette lighter thing on my four-wheeler, so we can have some way to charge our phone or pump up a tire if I need to, or any little thing that has to do with 12-volt electricity. I can just plug it up and get it rolling. Might even be able to put a little inverter on that deal. You never know. But let's get to it. Let's get that installed. I can't never find nothing when I'm looking for it. I need a marker. Check this out, guys. Who is that? That's my son when he was real little. I don't know. I don't even think he was one yet. My man. Oh well. Let me get my drill bits. Nice flat spot. Yeah, I need a marker. That's not even right. Alright guys, so I know this ain't how you would really do it, but I can't find a marker, so I'm gonna have to wing it. Try to center that up and go with the hole. That's scary. All right, it has been done. Let's see what happens. Alright, so holes are made. Let's get a razor blade to clean that up a little bit. I know the holes are big enough. I just trying to get it flush as possible. Let's see how that does. And it go a little something like that. Oh yeah, that looks good, right? Can y'all see? All right. That's how they go. All right, I got it mounted. I just got to put the wires in it. But check it out. So we got a USB-C and a regular USB, and it also tells you the voltage. Then you got a regular cigarette lighter. And this is like a little window. It looks like a little window. Looks good, right? And this is what it looks like underneath. All right, let me go find my wire. I think it's some in there. Hopefully it is. And this is low voltage stuff, so speaker wire probably would even do. But let me go find some wires so I can get these two things wired up. Yeah, hey guys, so I sort of kind of got a little problem. Okay, so I got to go from here to the battery or to one of the electronics behind the fuel door. So I have those quick connect thingies where you crimp an end on, crimp the end on the particular end that needs to go on this spade connector, and then you know the other end goes into like a little, it just clips on the wire, and then you slide the spade in there to, you know, it's like a little adapter piece. And I think they're in the camper. Always something. Oh, this might be it. 1, 2. I think we're in business. I think we're in business, guys. 1, 2, 2 for each. Just need 2 for each. 1, 2. These just clip on the wire. They clip on the wire. Oh God. I don't have enough. God damn it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me think about this. Let me try to find everything I need. I don't even know why I did this without knowing that I didn't have. I'll tell you. Be right back. Alright guys, it's kind of gonna work something like this. It's gonna clip on like that. So clip the main, clip this on to the wire that goes to, clip the blue thing onto, I think, the power wire. And then the power wire to the back of the charge ports. And I'm pretty sure I have this set up where it only works if you have the key turned on. It doesn't work while the key is off. Crimp 2 pliers to go, and they're going right over there. They're going right through there to that. So they ain't going far. Couldn't find my regular pliers. Found channel locks. Alright, let's grab the spades that go on the back. I think those are positive, right? I hope those are positive. Probably should go get my voltmeter, huh? This low voltage. Hopefully we don't blow nothing up. Positive. Oh yeah. Positive's good. I just need 2 more to make the negative connection. We're golden. positive. Oh, before I do that, I'm about to mess up. Forgot this piece. And I'm still gonna have to take it back off, but I want to make sure everything fits. Positive. Now I need to find a negative. I'm gonna cut a wire and crimp 2 ends to come out of this for the negative. And I'll be right back. All right guys, it's getting dark on me, and it's getting dark on me real quick. I got those connectors. Well, I had to modify some stuff and I made some connectors. And I'm buttoning it down now, and then we're gonna see if it works. So give me a couple more minutes and we'll get it, see if we can fire it up, see what happens. All right guys, I just wanted to bring y'all back to show y'all that it's working. Need to straighten up that display, but it definitely is on. 11.8 volts. Oh, it has an on and off switch anyway, so I could have, but it works by the key. So see, it's on now, and when I turn the key off, it cuts off. Cut the key back on, pops back on. So yeah, it's pitch black out there now. I got a flashlight, but I'll just show y'all on another day how well it works and during the daytime. So that's gonna wrap it up for that. Got that installed on the 4-wheeler. Shoot, I could have tried the cigarette lighter part just to show y'all, but it has an on and off switch on it. It reads the voltage. Perfect. So I don't know, that's gonna end it for the night, guys. I'm gonna put the cover back on there and button it up for the night. My wife found that for me at the Goodwill. Oh yeah. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Scratch Outdoors. Peace.